Hi, this is a test for strategy triple threat. And the parameters, the profit target, it's adjustable. So here I chose for the profit target 39 ticks, for the stop loss 19 ticks, and for trail stop loss for 19 ticks. When I do test, I usually do all the instruments. So when I go to the instrument, I just use all the futures, select all. So then, based on that, I kind of choose which one of the instrument is kind of more profitable, and then I would use this strategy in that particular instrument. I always like to use the time frame as 15 minutes, but it's up to you to adjust it the way you want to. In addition to that, I'm just kind of trying to do a very short time frame just to know if how it works, and also this would run faster. But to be honest, this strategy analyzer is good. It gives you an idea about how profitable is the strategy, but it's not something reliable. I had another strategy. It made a profit for the day around $420 net profit. It just took two trades, no loss. When I tested in Strategy Analyzer, same day, I got a different result. I got a loss and two profits. And the value wasn't same, so I wouldn't really kind of rely on this strategy kind of 100%, but it just gives you a little bit an idea how things it works. So here it is. I'm just trying to test this for a short time, and based on that, because I'm trying to test this for all futures here, so let's run this and see what we get. It's taken a bit of time to run, even if it's a shorter period. Let's see what we get. So here, where we are, is the result here. I try to sort them by Sharpe ratio. Sharpe ratio, it means like the value, like how many trades are taken and how much of them they are like profitable, because it could be like so many trades that's been profitable, but you can have like a really high kind of drawdown. This one looks kind of a low drawdown, minus 250, which is not bad, but it's only 237. It's This is what I like about this strategy. It doesn't trigger a lot, but when it triggers, it's kind of more likely to be profitable. So 4.76 sharp ratio is quite good, actually. It's very good. And the profit factor is 195, is very good, actually. So I would kind of use those instruments, the three top ones. If I can check the ES, mini ES here, it's actually in a loss here. So I would like, when I would test this, I would just go for those two ones on the top there and use them. I mean, if we kind of trust strategy analyzer 100%, but I wouldn't. Sometimes it's better to use it in a kind of a testing account and in a live data and see the behavior. So here, this is a short video. I hope it's helpful. And it's just kind of to go to talk a little bit about the codes. There are open sources, so you can adjust them the way you want. And if you think we can improve them, by all means, you can send me your feedback, and I can see how I can add them to the script. Thank you for watching.